Look everyone, the world's largest spur. That sure is a big one. So it is made out of steel, which is rusted, and it does light up at night, but it is not nighttime, so it's not lit up. That's pretty cool. What, lady?
Did you film it?
I did.
It's big.
It is big.
It's the biggest thing in Texas.
I think so. You're not gonna go see the world's largest spur?
Where did my love go? Oh, she's over there.
Yeah, she's ready there. They sure do like them big in Texas, where there's not much more to see here, so we're gonna go ahead and get back on the road. Onward Bound.
Hey guys. We're on our way back down there right now. Come on down there. I don't know if we're gonna eat those. It's kind of early for us, but we can sit and have ice tea or something. Yeah.
Alright, we're getting back on the road and meeting Colleen and also Mick. They were just here, but they went to go look at something else that Terry and Scott had looked at already. They were talking about grabbing something to eat, not sure. I think it's too early because I just drank my lemon water not too long ago. I have to wait an hour. We'll see. All right. They were talking about eating at a Mexican restaurant. The last couple of places that I've been that were Mexican restaurants just don't have any flavor. They weren't good. This is Alfredo's Mexican restaurant. So yeah, they just don't really have any flavor. Not sure what we're gonna do, if we're just gonna carry on or eat. I'd be good. I have bananas. I can just eat some bananas and be good. 3 bananas in the morning. Okay.
We only made it how far down the road?
I know,
2
5
miles.
miles.
5 miles.
This wasn't even out of the way.
No.
It's 2
Yeah.
minutes out of the way.
No,
Right.
it was 1.3 miles. That's how far
Oh,
we
that's
made
right.
it today.
Oh, I thought we went 5 miles.
Well,
Oh well.
Search along the route if you want, or Google more stuff around the area.
Ooh, look, there's turtle in the water. That's neat. What's going on, lady? Oh, I like that bridge. What you smelling, Moo-moo? What you smelling?
Near troll names.
Wow, those are some big turtle.
There's a snake. There's
Where? There is a snake.
I gotta film too, okay?
Go for it.
Oh, I see
my
it.
God.
Water moccasin.
Okay, there's a water moccasin right there.
It's going after the turtle.
Scott, look at the water moccasin.
Water moccasin.
Yeah.
We just pulled along the roadside. This is a pretty neat stop. It's pretty cool. Oh my God, what's that monster in the river? It's a big alligator. It's just a statue, but that's pretty cool. There's a closer shot of the alligator. I didn't notice there was other ones in there. Here's the restaurant, Alfredo's Mexican restaurant. It's a pretty cool place. What you think, Moo-moo, huh? You ready to go? All right, come on. What, you saying hello to everybody? We're getting back on the road. Not sure exactly where we're gonna be headed to. I'm sure we'll figure it out. I just know that we're going up, I believe it's 183 to headed towards Albuquerque. We're cutting across Texas and everything. We were gonna go straight up north, but it's just a longer route and we decided this would be quicker and better. So that's what we're doing. Clear.
They caught my eye because normally you've got it chained up.
Yeah, it was up, but I think it slipped, so I'm gonna fix it real quick.
Hot.
I know, I got it thing. Huh. Nah, I'm still working on it.
You stand in the back here and get this traffic down.
It's just this chain needs to move forward.
Don't let nobody run me over. Ah!
It's hot. Yeah, I got it. I think I got it.
Well,
There it goes. I need something here to not so it won't slide.
let me see.
I got it now.
What do we need?
We see we got a hole
I
or
got it.
something because we need to,
Yeah, I need something so the
so we
chain
can
won't
zip tie that
slide.
chain right here.
Did you get it?
Yeah, what I did is I zip tied it right to this pipe
Uh-huh.
here, so it can't go anywhere. But
You mean the chain?
Right, I'm gonna zip tie it up here again to the other side, so that way it'll never slip again.
Okay.
Oh, I really love my legs, Lord.
All right, so you got it on there. Awesome.
Yeah, it's all zip tied to stay right where it's at.
The
Keep
chain,
them-
not the muffler,
no,
because
the chain.
it'll
So
melt. Right.
it won't melt because it's up on the top of the chain.
Right. Awesome.
Keep them in your rig.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, let's get out this dangerous road.
Here, this is Hal's. Oh, sorry.
That's his. That's his towel.
All right.
All right, let's do this.
You look in your mirror and tell us when it's clear, and then I'll start pulling.
Okay, I'll signal you.
I don't have any service to look it up right now.
Oh, bye.
we looked at that. That's 30 miles north of Abilene.
Go ahead, pedestrian. Remember, if you think your situation is bad, it could always be worse. Just be thankful for what you have. That looks pretty bad.
That's a brand new rig.
I know, that's unfortunate. I think I'm gonna toss this out.
I think you better.
Cause there's salmonella poisoning and it did give me a stomach ache last night.
That was in your brain.
You ate that
Probably.
celery.
No, I didn't. That's old. I'm throwing that out. But yeah, that is. I think it's. I don't know. I really got a bad stomach ache last night. So
You're
I'm
better
gonna-
off hucking it, man.
Yeah. So unfortunately, I hate wasting food.
One thing Terry's taught me is you can eat if you want. If you feel like crap, I am not gonna worry about you.
Yeah,
so
it's-
I'm like anymore. I'm like, if you don't want it, I'm not eating it. I don't want to be sick.
Well, you know what? It's not worth the $5 to
No.
me.
No.
I can buy something else.
Yes.
So we made it here to Belanger and we're going to find something to eat. It is 4 o'clock, so it's going to be a late lunch, definitely. I already had bananas, well, my lemon water first, and then an hour later I had my bananas. That's basically all I've had today, so yep, I'm definitely hungry. Maybe a big old salad or something. You want to say hello to everybody, Moo-moo? Yes. Sure she's ready to get out and stretch a little bit. All right, Moo-moo, go back. Good girl. Yeah, I'm over barbecue. No more barbecue.
Get a salad.
Yeah, I'll get a salad no matter where we go. So if y'all want to do barbecue, we can. It's a pretty warm day today, so I put the box fan in the window. It's bringing a lot of cool air in. Well, it feels cool anyways. And she's not panting. She's like, I'm sleeping, leave me alone. Right?